Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that was asked or kind of commented on when we talk about PC sales, and that I've talked about in the past also, because it is something that does have an impact. And it's the sales of computers slowing down due to other devices. When we talk about PC sales, it is true that the smartphone and tablets like iPads are impacting PC sales for sure. I know quite a few people around me that don't have a computer anymore. They used to, but now they don't. And the reason is that they actually have replaced that with a smartphone or a tablet that they find a lot more useful for what they do and does everything they want. So we got to think about that, because yes, on a smartphone today you do pretty much everything. And if you're not a big power user, your smartphone is enough to do your daily internet stuff and check emails and so on. So there is an impact, definitely. If we didn't have or weren't in a smartphone world, we probably would have more computer sales than we actually do right now, because that would mean that if you need to go to the internet or stuff like that, you would probably have to buy a PC, which is not needed anymore. And these small devices today are computers, and they do almost everything. So definitely it has an impact. I mean, a lot of people don't really care to have a computer anymore. It's visible also, especially in the young audience out there. People that are, less than 30, a lot of them, the smartphone they have does what they want, and they don't need another machine. So dedicated PCs and computers like we used to buy, everybody wanted a computer. And now, not everybody wants a computer anymore. So definitely, that's an impact. Definitely, some people, for example, when Windows 10 has end of support, and some people out there will have PCs, and they're going to tell themselves, "Well, I don't need another computer. I can do what I want with my smartphone." So that's definitely something that will happen. There will be some people moving off a real world laptop and computer. So, this is something to think about, and that impact will probably get even, more prevalent in the coming years, because the more powerful our devices are, the less the need for a real computer at home is necessary. So that definitely does impact, and it definitely probably takes some sales off of PCs. So not everybody, wants a computer. That's the thing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.